Hello everybody, good evening. I'm here to tell you a little bit about an acne wash that I recently purchased. Usually I use Neutrogena, the regular one. It's like the oil-free acne wash in the orange. It's like the orange, it's a clear container, but it's like an orange liquid. So that's the original one. So I wanted to switch it up, and I thought this was really interesting because I know grapefruit's supposed to be really good for your skin and just like good for you in general. So this is Neutrogena as well, but it is a pink grapefruit facial cleanser, oil-free acne wash with MicroClear technology. Clears breakouts, has naturally derived grapefruit extract, salicylic acid acne treatment. This container is 6 floral ounces or 177 milliliters. Plastic container with the pump, so really simple to use. I love Neutrogena. I feel like their products are a little bit above some of like the cheaper ones, if that makes sense, on the market. I think this one's it's still affordable, but it's also like better quality than some of the brands that are like Clearasil and stuff like that. To me, it just works better. And I really like Neutrogena makeup as well. They have like acne clearing foundation and stuff, and I just think they're a really great brand. So we'll flip over to the back. So before I flip over and talk about the back, you could see color of the liquid. It's like a really pretty pink, and it definitely looks like the color of the inside of a grapefruit. So let's go to the back and let's look this over. So this says on here, with an uplifting blast of grapefruit plus vitamin C, this unique formula clears blemishes and blackheads, eliminates oil and dirt without overdrying. I think that this works perfectly against blemishes. I'm in my late 20s, but I still get a blemish every once in a while, and since I've been using this, they are very far and few between. Like maybe get one once a month, and they're like little small ones. I really never get breakouts, and I think that a lot of that has to do with the fact that when I use this cleanser, it takes off all of my makeup. The only thing that you really need is if you have a waterproof makeup, like an eyeliner, waterproof eyeliner or waterproof mascara. Sometimes you'll need some baby oil or makeup remover to take that off, but other than that, this really removes all your makeup. So it's going to say in the instructions to wet face and, apply it to your face and massage, but I do that on my neck as well because I feel like your neck also needs to be cleansed just like your face, because sometimes I'll get breakouts on my neck as well, and I think it's from maybe not cleaning properly. So it definitely helps with eliminating oil and dirt, and it does not overdry at all, so my skin never gets dried out or flaky when I use this. And the vitamin C is great too. It's really good for your skin. So the drug facts: active ingredient, salicylic acid, 2%. The purpose is acne treatment. Use for the treatment of acne. Warnings: for external use only. When using this product, skin irritation and dryness is more likely to occur if you use another topical acne medication at the same time. If irritation occurs, only use one topical acne medication at a time. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, flush thoroughly with water. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, get medical help or contact the Poison Control Center right away. Directions: use daily. Wet face, apply to hands, add water, and work into a lather. Massage face gently. Rinse thoroughly. And like I said, I also will massage this onto my neck and clean my neck as well. Because sometimes unless, you're a guy, of course, you have makeup on and, sometimes you blend it into your neck, when you're like contouring and just blending, and you want to make sure your makeup is washed off your neck as well as your face, because let's face it, you could get blemishes on your neck and your face. Other information: protect from excessive heat, 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Inactive ingredients: water, sodium C14, 16 olefin, sulfonate, cocamidopropyl betaine, sodium chloride, PEG 120, methyl glucose dialysate, polysorbate 20, linyl imidopropyl, PG ammonium chloride phosphate, proline glycol, PEG 80, and sorbitine, laurate, fragrance, disodium EDTA, so on and so forth, because I'm like butchering a lot of these ingredients because they're kind of hard to pronounce, but you get the idea. Questions or comments, there's the website www.neutrogena.com, or you could call that number, and it is distributed by Johnson & Johnson Consumer Incorporated in Skillman, New Jersey. There's the barcode on the back. So really easy to open this up. Just gotta twist this a few times, and then there you go. See, it pops right out. And then it's super easy to pump. Just take a little bit out so you guys can see. It smells wonderful. It has a wonderful scent, and it really smells like grapefruit. So you get that wonderful fruit scent to it. There we go. So when it comes out, it looks pretty clear. You guys can see. But it smells delicious, like you want to eat it. But of course you can't, because that wouldn't be good. But it literally smells like a grapefruit, and it's delicious and fruity, and works really well. So I hope you guys will try out Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash Pink Grapefruit Facial Cleanser. And I hope you love it. And I thank you so much for watching this video. Hope everyone has a great night.